How to log into Adidas app. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into the Adidas app. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and launch the Adidas application and you will be redirected to the home page. You're going to click on your profile icon at the top right. And then you should see two options, login and join for free. Join for free means if you don't have an account already, you can register into the Adidas. And if you have an account already, you can simply click on login and then click on continue. And there are a couple of ways that you can use in order to sign in. First is Apple account, then we have is Facebook, then we have is Google and Yahoo. Or you can also manually type down your email address, click on continue, type down your password, and you can log into the Adidas app. So for this tutorial, I'm going to go with my Google account. Simply click on Google and choose the account that you wish to log in with. Once done, you should see an interface like this that would say your profile with your name at the top left. So that is basically how you can log into Adidas app. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.